Well, I put 300 arrows through this Redemption now. And then the next thing I did, had a bow tech look over it, make sure it was all timed correctly. Put the Trophy Ridge drop array rest on it. And set up my anchor site. So now I gotta find 5 hunting arrows for my quiver. Just gonna shoot it, see what kind of groups I get, and go from there. I'm still shooting field points. Once I get good consistent groups, which should be hopefully right away here, I won't sight in for field points. I'll just go directly to broadheads. I'll put on a fixed blade broadhead, and then I'll just start walk back tuning at this point. I'm not gonna bother with paper tuning this time. I feel that the bow is passing all the energy to the arrows. It's absorbing them all. The way we've had it set up with Lawrence from Accurate Archery, the bow tech I went to see. So we're gonna skip the paper tuning this time, go straight to walk back tuning with broadheads, and we'll be ready for bears. Let's go see the grouping. Pretty solid grouping. Happy with these arrows. I should be able to find 5 for the quiver and put some broadheads on them.